Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Did you know that you can actually print out your patterns without downloading them as PDF? That is, you can print out digital patterns that you created or digital patterns that you use one of these the CAD softwares to create, that you can actually print it out without having to download them as PDFs. If that is something that interests you, then stay tuned and I'm going to show you how to use augmented reality in pattern drafting. So I'm going to start with the very first one, and that is Le Color sewing patterns. This was the very first place that I discovered augmented reality pattern drafting with Le Color. If you're not familiar with Le Color sewing patterns, I have a full video where I introduced you to Le Color sewing patterns, showing you all the beautiful patterns that you can actually get from Le Color. Le Color is the parent company for Sewist. Again, if you don't know what Sewist is, I have you covered. I have a full video where I talked about Sewist, showing you how you can create your patterns in 10 minutes. You can create all kinds of styles in 10 minutes using Sewist. I'm going to link all those videos below this video. Le Color sewing patterns has something unique. You cannot only download your patterns as PDFs, which is the one that everybody knows, that to be able to use digital patterns, you need to download them as PDFs. You have to put the pieces together and then trace out the patterns and then put it on your cloth to cut. But there's something that it has that Le Color has. It has what is called the augmented reality sewing patterns. And that is exactly what I'm going to show you how it is done. So with augmented reality, really, you do not need to print out your patterns anymore. The Le Color patterns now offers sewing patterns in OBJ format that is compatible with AR viewers, that is augmented reality viewers. So how does this work? First of all, you need to install a software called VectAR. It's a VectAR viewer for viewing augmented reality sewing patterns. But the only sad thing about this is that you can only get this if you have an iPhone, I think iPhone 7 and above, and iPads. You cannot use Android. The second one I'm going to show you, you can use Android, but this one, you can only use iPhone to be able to download this because I tried downloading it. I don't have an iPhone, I have an Android. I could not find it. But if you have an iPhone, you can download this on your phone. So step one, how do you use it? Once you get to Le Color and you order for a pattern, I'm not going to show you how to order for a pattern because I explained that in my video where I introduced you to Le Color, which I'm going to actually post it here and also below this video, as I've said before. So once you've added all your sizes, your measurements, and all your adjustments and all that, when you come to when you want to print, there's a drop down and you're going to choose SVG plus AR. That is how you're going to print it. And once you do that, they normally send you those patterns to your email. As I mentioned in that other video, you see the patterns, everything, the SVG, the DXF files, the that's the one that the SVG and DXF is what you're going to use as the augmented reality patterns, and of course the PDF, the normal PDF patterns. Like here, they have listed it here. What you get. This is what you get when you click that. When you click this, when you're ordering for your patterns. This is what you get. You get a DXF, a PDF, SVG. I did explain all this in that video. Please do go ahead and watch that video so that you will actually understand what all these ones are. So now, you now install this on your iPhone. It's called a Vect AR viewer. You install it, you can get it from your iPhone app. You install it, this is what it looks like. Vect AR, this is what it looks like when you look for it in the store. And once you install it, this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So again, I'm going to put this link under this video so they can also go straight there and also go through it by yourself if you are really interested in doing augmented reality pattern drafting. So now you download the marker page at this link. There's a link here that will take you to where you can download the marker. This is the marker page. You download it and keep it. So once you click that link, this is where it takes you. So you're going to download this and keep it. Now, once you have downloaded this, what you need to do is to cut it off here. Just cut it because that is what you're going to need for the next stage. Once you've done that, here you actually read how to prepare your fabric because you're going to be placing that this AR, this Vect AR, you're going to be placing it on your fabric or on your pattern paper. I'll advise you start with a pattern paper, not place it directly on your fabric, at least to try it and see. So you can read all the recommendations here on how to prepare your fabric if you want to use fabric. And then download your patterns. They normally send your patterns to your email. And once you state that you want to receive SVG and DXF, you're going to see it in your email. For instance, let me go ahead. This is the email they sent to me of my patterns. So as you can see here, they sent me a PDF, which is an instruction about the pattern. They now send me a DXF. That's the DXF file. This is what you're going to use. And this is an SVG file. So those are the things we are going to be using to actually do the augmented reality. So once you have that, the next thing is for you to go to the what do they call it? The Vect AR app, and then select scan QR code button. So once you select it, you now point your phone and then scan this. There is a QR code for each of the patterns. So once you scan this, all you have to do is to bring your phone with what you have scanned and then place it over this AR that you have already cut and placed on your material, just like the picture here. It's very, very self-explanatory. And once you do that, it will just show on your phone, it will show how to do the tracing of your pattern. So all you need is your pencil or whatever you're going to use, and then you will join it, and your hand will also be showing on the phone as you follow it and trace it just as it is. Isn't that great? I do that for each of the patterns. You do not need to download anything. So here's a video that is actually showing you how to do it. I'm going to play the video and you're going to see exactly how this is done. So here's the video on exactly how to use it. So as you can see, first you have to download the Vect AI, and then Install that application on your iPhone, print out the marker page as I've told you before. So once you scan the QR code, it will download. Just as you can see now, looking at the camera of your phone, you can now trace out all your pattern blocks. How easy is that? No need for PDF download. How cool is that? So now you don't need to print out PDFs to be able to, trace your patterns. Because when it comes to PDF patterns, that is one of the drawbacks of PDF patterns. You have to print it out, put it together before you now put it on your material. So go ahead and try your hands on augmented reality pattern drafting. I hope you enjoyed the video. In my next video, I'm going to introduce you to another augmented reality pattern drafting so that you begin to get used to using augmented pattern drafting softwares to be able to create your patterns. If you enjoyed the video, remember to subscribe and also to hit the notification bell so that you'll be aware when I upload interesting videos on pattern drafting. Thank you so much for watching. Till my next video.